So, add 1 sa exponent. So, x raised to 1/5 plus 1 over the same exponent, 1/5 plus 1 plus c. Okay, tapos simplify natin, bali 4 times x raised, so ano yung 1/5 plus 1? 6/5, right? Over 1/5 plus 1, 6/5 din, plus c. Tapos kailangan nating i-simplify yung coefficient, yung 4 divided by 6/5. So, di ba kapag mag-divide ng fraction, so copy the numerator 4 times the reciprocal ng denominator, 6/5. So, 5/6, right? Then, times x raised to 6/5 plus c. So, simplify na lang natin tong 4 times 5, 6. So, pwedeng makancel si 4, magiging 2. Si 6, magiging 3. So, bale magiging 2 times 5, 10. Over, ito over 1 kasi yan, 1 times 3, 3. So, 10/3 x raised to 6 over 5 plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, next, punta tayo sa number 4. Okay, for number 4, we have integral of negative 6 over x cubed dx. So, yung negative 6 na to, pwede nyo igilid constant, so magiging negative 6 integral ng 1 na lang over x cubed dx. Pero yung power ng x is nasa denominator. So, apply muna natin yung negative law of exponent, iangat natin sa numerator, so magiging negative 6 integral ng x to the negative 3 dx para ma-apply yung power rule. So, bale, negative 6 times integral ng x to the negative 3, x raised to negative 3 plus 1 over same exponent, negative 3 plus 1 plus c. So, simplify, magiging negative 6 x raised to negative 3 plus 1, negative 2 over negative 3 plus 1, negative 2 then plus c. Then, simplify natin yung negative 6 divided by negative 2, positive 3. X to the negative 2 plus c. So, pwede ito or gusto nyo gawin yung positive exponent. So, bala magiging 3 over, bababa si x sa denominator, then magiging raised to positive 2 na, plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, next naman, number 5, we have integral of 2 over the cube root of x dx. So, gawin muna nating fractional exponent yung cube root ng x. So, bale, integral ng 2 over cube root ng x, that's the same as x raised to 1/3, right? Okay, pero nasa baba uli yung power ni x, just like example 4. So, iangat natin, gawin nating negative exponent. So, magiging integral ng 2